Okay, another video for YouTube. Say hi, bro.
Hey, what's up?
And that's my mom over there sleeping.
Oh my god.
I just had to.
And that damn bird.
And that damn bird over there. Okay, hang on. It's gonna get all weird because I have to get up, but still.
Because you're sitting with your laptop right next to you.
Yeah, because I'm special like that. Okay, so.
Look at the ugly little bird.
I know, you gotta see my grandparents' bird.
Come watch. Wow, Vicky.
This is the...
Look at the evil little bird.
He freaks out.
Shut up, nobody asked you, stupid bird.
Say hi.
The bird's like, what the fuck?
Yeah, so that's my bird. Well, my grandparents' bird. His name is, Binky.
Staring at the camera.
So, he always hisses. So, these are pies, and they look so yummy. Smell what pie. And this is my wonderful, amazing grandma. She's gonna cut pie for us. You can't say you're not amazing because you are. Yes, so this is my grandma. I love grandma almost even more than grandma. Shh, don't tell anybody. Because she's more special.
Yeah, anyway.
Yes, so anyway, I'm gonna take my brothers because...
Just because.
What do you like? Do you like YouTube now or what?
The whole dinner.
Yeah, I did.
Yes, he did. He cooked the entire dinner.
He deserves things.
Yes.
I cooked all the salads. And I did the mashed potatoes too.
And the mashed potatoes. Look at that whipped cream. Oh my gosh. Whipped cream. Now we're gonna go say hi to my grandpa real fast. Because he's doing dishes. So, Grandpa's doing dishes.
You want to cook the pie, Grandpa?
No, not right now, son.
Okay. I love you, Grandpa.
I love you.
Yes, I'm love. Get out of my video. You get too much camera. Get out of my video.
Actually, I get less camera.
No.
I guess I get less camera.
I meant the paper plate. That's all.
Oh.
Well, they're
Saves us having to wash them.
exactly.
They're right there above your head.
Yes.
Beside your head.
I'm gonna take my mom sleeping. Shh.
Oh, yeah, I just washed them out there.
Do you want some pie, Mom?
Are they clean?
Okay, she's totally right. She's totally asleep right now.
Good.
Yeah, she sleeps like that all the time, so it's okay. So yes, we're gonna have pie right now, and it's gonna be like really good. Yes, pumpkin pie, because pumpkin pie is amazing.
Happy birthday right next to it.
Oh, that totally goes with Thanksgiving.
Yeah, of course it does. Well, my best friend Lizzie has her birthday.
Wait a minute, he's asking me a question. Right?
Did you take the dish rag?
No, it's right on the stove where you left it.
I forgot my...
Look at that pie. What'd you forget?
Nothing.
Nothing. Well, this video is gonna be longer than 2 minutes, so.
Well, good. Hopefully.
What?
My tongue.
What about it?
It's not there.
Yes, it is.
Uh-uh.
Oh, your tongue ring? Get over it.
On top of the washing machine is some peppermint bark.
Yeah. What, now you're covering it? That's so dumb. Okay, I'm gonna eat pumpkin pie, so, I guess I'll talk to you people later. Oh my god, look at that pie.
Pumpkin pie.
Oh yeah, look at that pie.
Look at that pie.
Look at the pie. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna eat pumpkin pie now, so I'll see you when I make my next video. So, say bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
Okay, bye, Cameron.